Love, how are you? Did you eat your breakfast already?
No, Nanay food is still here.
Are you okay? Here. I'll go ahead. And please take care of yourself.
Nanay, I'll go ahead with Father. Take care of yourself too. No matter what happens, always remember that I love you. May love will never change or be faded. And even if I cannot be forced, always here to protect and guide you.
Love, don't say that. We can't live without you. You should promise us that you must be strong. Fight. As we fight for our love. I know that we could find ways for your operation. So please stay for us.
I cannot promise you, man. The ordinary illness, cancer, and those cure. But always remember my wish. Should be not faded. Live for me and for our children. You know.
You should promise us.
Love, I promise I will fight for my country. But only God knows wherever it's my life. No matter what happens, I protect you. And guide our children. Mother, keep on strong. Yes, please don't be cry. Wipe your tears. Be happy.
Oh, that's enough. You, my children. Go asleep and you say, I love you.
Love you. Love you.
Love, wake up. It's already morning. Love, let's eat a break. Love, wake up. Wake up.
Tatay, what happened to Nanay? Nay, wake up! I think she doesn't respond anymore.
No.
Well, they won't see she's anymore. You think she's sick?
No, your mother is dead. No, Jen, wake up.
Whenever you are, I hope and pray that you're now okay. Don't worry, I will take good care of you. I miss you always, Mom. Mother, why did you leave us? Who will take care of us? Mother, we're ready to face the difficulties in life, but it's hard for us to live in without you. Ate, why did Nanay leave us so early? Because she needs to rest. And in heaven, there's no pain at all. Ate, why did Tatay kidnapping his own mind? He will become okay later. Don't worry.
How are you? You know, we visited your mother's son. Kaya aren't Commodore.
Mother, what are you talking about?
Answer me, please. Love.
I'm not listening to all you guys.
You're not answering me.
I'm talking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry, my love. My aren't Commodore.
Bye-bye. Nana is dead. What are you talking about?
Who are you? I don't want to hear your voices. Please stay away from us.
Mother, please wake up for the mother's father is already dead.
Hey!
Save us. We take it to you.
Jim! Not dead. Jim, why do you think that?
Tatay, Nana is in heaven.
Heaven? She can't go in heaven because she's still alive.
Don't go to, baby, don't go to father anymore.
Drink your medicine. You're not taking your medicine anymore.
Please listen to me. Mother is dead.
Your mother is still dead. Your mother is still alive. If you're telling she's dead, you better go away.
Son, Mika and Tintin. Better to leave our father first. But mother takes care of the family. We should give importance and respect what mother's doing.
Stop quarreling, okay?
Kasi ba, me? We're not worried. I will just argue na first.
Okay, I'll go up. Love. Love, where are you? Love, are you there? Are you hiding from me? Love, where are you? Love, stop hiding from me. Oh, you want to play with me, huh? Love, I know you're there. I gotta catch up. Tintin?
Yes, Tatay.
Did you see your mother?
No, I didn't see her.
That, turn her back.
Only my toy.
Toy. I want to see your toy.
I don't want.
Get inside. Get
No.
inside.
No,
I want to play your toy here.
I don't like.
Get inside this gun. Oh, this banig. We're going to bring this banig.
I will throw it.
So, why are you going to throw it? You don't know this is your mother, huh?
Mother is dead.
No, she's not dead.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
God does not love us anymore. Don't say that. Don't ask God. Think Mother like us, Stephen's mother. What to do? We still wish to believe. Now I right. Our mother, that for us. Promise me, please. Promise me.
Look, sister, I feel pity for them.
Children, what are you doing here outside of the church? Sister, Mama, I'm family. Can you repeat? You're not going to do my friends. I want this thing so much. Come, I'll bring it to the orphanage for your sake. Try not to suffer. Oh, really? Thank you, sister. You're a blessing from God.
Sister? What is your motive to help such poor children like them?
Those children deserve all the help we can get from our church. Also, much help for those who have mental or something like that particular
But, okay, now I understand.
Let's go, children. Sounds great. Thank you, sisters.
Sister, what should I do in this banig?
Bring it if you want.
Banig? I never need it. It's better to leave this banig here.
Look, housemate. Well, it's up to you. You have to decide right now. You need to take your wife to the hospital.
I have someone to go down for. I think that's enough. Really? Father? Enzo, come on. Let's meet your mom. Eh.
Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Dad, where's the Papa? What's happened to her? What's happened?
She's in another room. Then she was in there.
Neighbor? No, that is true, Dad. Ah, the baby's coming out. Why?
Hey, stop that. You have a cough that might be contagious.
That was Tita. You're so gross.
Hey, hurry up. We're getting late. Anyway, we're not able to ask her to the school.
Why?
We're going to be busy.
Okay.
Mama, I have something to tell you before I forget. We have a school activity.
Hi, Ma.
There's a camping. My teacher told me to join and bring some necessities.
Hey, bro. What's right time? Can you join? You know, you have an extra body there.
Sorry, it's for the boys only. Thanks for the hospital. Thanks, Ben. Bye.
Bye, Mom. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Oh, Ed, you're here. How's your day? You have eaten your lunch already?
Do you have a decent job now?
I have a bad day, Mai. There's so many questions, huh? And what is this? So silly.
Ed, what is this?
It's not me, Ma.
Ed, I have done enough of you. How many times did I tell you smoking is dangerous? If you want to die, then go. Die alone. I'm your mother. And it's definitely my duty to tell you whether you're doing right or wrong.
I'm sorry, Ma. Even if it's hard to stop smoking, but I promise today, I cannot do it again. But take a rest, Ma. I know you're so tired. And I'm so sorry.
Ed, be serious. I'm not kidding. I just want you to be a better person you could be.
Alright, Ma. Love you, Ma.
Hey bro, let's take some rest then. Okay, sure bro. Wait, Enzo, can I ask you something? Sure, what is it? Did you know that school grounds are burial grounds before? Yeah. Wait, are you afraid of ghosts? Me? Of course not. What are you saying? Just that my Lola told me some short facts about it when I was very young, and funny to say, my Lola used it to scare me off. And do you believe her? Well, not really. Every time I have this like gathering, I used to hunt ghosts. So, did you find some? Well, not really. Nothing. You know, boring. I used to do it either before. Let's go back. They kinda need the help. Okay, bro. Let's go.
Oh, you're so early.
I forgot the wallet before.
Actually, I'm going to market and I'm going to drop by and give your wallet.
I see the I will complain. Are you sure I'm not going to happen?
Hey, I'm home. Why the long face?
There's something happened with our parents. They're gone.
So, there's a problem. Oh my God. I can't believe you. I don't believe it too, but I don't know. What? You're kidding, I know. You're kidding.
Pop said your case is just hit and run.
Hit and run? Can't be. No! Tell me you're lying. Tell me you're lying to me. Kuya, tell me you're lying to me.
Condolence, my son. Do you have any plans for the future of your siblings? To tell you the truth, I don't know what to do. If you want, I have something to offer. What is it then?
Well, I want to recruit you for an instant job in Singapore. You don't have to worry about anything. And besides, my agency will take care of it.
Thank you. That's very helpful. How may I repay you in return?
Anything you need, just do call me. You don't need to bother to pay me off. Your father used to be a great friend of mine. And after all, this is just my quiet time to thank you.
That's perfect. Thank you for your kind consideration. Pa. I know that so many things that have changed through the years. But the greatest attributes you taught has never been erased. Now, I am in front of you, telling you that I already granted our dreams. We love you.
Go na.
Come on, let's go.
Bye, Ma. Bye, Pa.
Hey, get out, Franz!
Madam, it's very early for you to shout like that.
I don't care. It's almost 2 months since you paid your last rent here.
Please give me another chance to stay here.
No another chance.
Madam! Madam!
Get out!
Madam!
Get out!
Please leave me.
No, get out!
Madam!
Get out!
Madam!
Get out!
Excuse me.
Yes?
You want to apply at a janitor? Is your manager here?
Yes. Excuse me.
Thank
You're welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I come in?
Okay, take a seat. You only have previous check in your high school?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, but you're not allowed to.
What? But why? I can assure you. I'm going to follow whatever you command. I will.
I'm really sorry. What we need is someone who has graduated in high school.
Ma'am, what is it like that?
Because that's our company rule.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your time.
Maybe next time.
Excuse me. Can I ask something?
Sure, what is it?
I just want to apply as an caretaker, if it's alright.
Oh, really? Good. So you can replace my position now.
But how much is the salary? And if there's place when I can stay?
What? You're looking for a place? Are you out of your mind? The salary is 2,000.
Really? Maybe it's enough.
Okay, good. So I can go now.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Thanks. Look, how lucky I am. Starting from now on, you will be my lucky charm. Who's that? So scary.
Oh, sorry to disturb you.
Oh, why you are still here?
Because my parents just died and I don't know how can I live without them.
Oh, sorry for that.
It's alright. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Franz. Franz Mariano. And you?
I'm Steph Chua.
Don't be sad.
Thanks. By the way, I need to go. It's late, so goodbye.
Bye. Take care. Oh, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you the undertaker of my wife's tomb?
Yes, sir. Oh, how old are you? I'm 16 years old.
Oh, I see. Are you still studying? Where's your parents?
I'm already stopped, and my parents are already died.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to continue your studies if there's an opportunity?
Of course.
I want you to know that I want to support your studies.
Really? I promise, sir. I'll do my best.
Then, pass your documents so I can enroll you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
It's my pleasure to help you. I may go.
Thank you, sir. Take care, sir.
Oh my gosh, why are you not looking on your way? You can think I'm okay. Next time, be careful.
Yes. Oh, how are you?
Wait! You know each other? Yes!
Oh, you're not visiting your mom.
Why are you studying?
Yes. There's someone who helps me.
Bernie, come on, let's go.
Hey!
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Didn't mean to do that? What do you want? Huh? You want some fight?
No, sorry again.
Where do you think you're going, huh?
In my chair.
In my chair? And what do you have there with you?
No, it's a banig.
Banig? Why? Are you going to sleep here?
No, I'm not. I just bring this.
Boy Banig? Boy Banig! Boy Banig! Boy Banig! Boy Banig!
Morning, class! Ma'am Alison. I'm your English teacher. So, before we start our lesson, I want you to introduce yourself one by one.
Hello classmates, my name is Patrick Usman. I'm a lesson. Nice to meet you, classmates.
Morning, classmates. My name is Steven Bautista, and I'm a student.
Good morning. Hi, I'm...
Boy Banig! Boy Banig!
Hi, I'm Franz Fernando. 16 years old. Oh, Steph. Hi. How are you?
Hi. I'm fine. You, how are you?
I'm fine too. You know what? I really want to go abroad.
Really?
Yes. I will miss you too. Thanks for your advice.
I have to go, so goodbye and good luck for it.
Bye. Thanks. Brad, thanks for everything. I thought I'd be hopeless forever. But because of my lucky charm, my life has some meaning.
Lord, I am here asking for your help and guidance for my mother who is very ill. What I only desire is to donate so that my mother will be comfortable in her sleep. Thank you, Lord.
Come on, Amber. I'm sure that your mother is waiting for us. Amber, did you make food for your mother before we leave? Yes, of course. What food? Sun side up. Sunny side up. Okay. Oh, what's this? Isn't it obvious? It's a banig. I know. What do you think of me? A fool? Maybe. What are you doing with that?
I will bring it to my mom, and for sure, she will be very happy to have it.
What? Don't you see? It's very dirty.
I know, but it's so clean.
Ever. Come on.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. You too. You're late again. You've been frolicking again, didn't you? We're sorry, ma'am. But we're not like what you think, ma'am. We're good girls. Good girls? Are you kidding? I'm not kidding, ma'am. I'm just saying the truth. And why does you're always late? I need to care of my mom and cook for her. You weren't home. Oh, that's the truth? I'm sorry, girls. By the way, Amber, the registrar is calling you to the office. But why, ma'am? I don't know.
Oh, Miss Eva, it's good you're already here.
Good morning, sir. What seems to be concerned that you want to see me?
Winter is fast approaching. You have not settled your fees yet.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
So, how do you plan to settle your office?
I tried to ask my boss to have an advance payment so I can pay my accounts as soon as possible.
Alright, make sure you settle your account before the meter is done.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, Amber, it seems to be a big bus. I have a lot of appointments. Okay, but I don't have time to wait for it. I have an idea. Go to Everett. I think you can marry the future. How? You can have an advance payment to turn.
But I don't have the time for this.
Oh, come on. You can do it. I'll tell you your solution.
Okay.
Hi, Nick. I think you're getting beautiful. Isn't she, Amber?
Yeah, she is really beautiful.
I know I'm beautiful. Behavior. I know you want something.
You're really smart, Nick. Say it, Amber.
I have something to tell you.
What is it, my dear?
Sir, can I make an advance payment?
Why do you need an advance payment?
Because I need to buy the school fees and need to buy medicine for my mom. Please grant her request, sir.
Any Nick?
Okay. If I not know you as a diligent person, I will not grant your request. There it is.
Thank you, sir. I'll do it my best in my work. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Nick.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Later.
Mom! Why did you leave me? You're the only one I have. And now you're gone? Why? Mom!
Amber, what's happening to you? Why didn't you attend your mother's burial?
I don't have the courage to do so. I cannot bear to see him being buried. I feel I cannot make it. My mom left me alone. She's the only one I've got in my life, and now she's gone? Queenie, why?
But Amber, your mother didn't want what happened to her. Don't worry, we're here for you.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Okay, hang your banig.
Hermie, you just hanging out your banig anyway.
You fool! This is my drying place. How dare you? You don't know how important this money is to me. And now you're making it dirty. If you're not full,
So being away, just a banig. You can buy 10 of that if you want.
I don't need your money.
Hey, miss! Don't talk like that to Ross. I agree. You're cheap rate. Hey, you two! You're out of this. Don't intrude.
Girls, enough. Leave her alone. Miss Erin sorry. Are you alright?
Leave me alone. I hope our paths will not cross, or I will.
I will what?
Amber, what happened? Don't mind me. I need to talk. Oh, I'm sorry. You?
Oh, nice meeting you.
You have the nerve showing your face to me.
It's my fault?
Yes.
Want to study here?
Yes. It's really your fault. You should not be studying here. You two, why are you shouting outside my office? Aren't you ashamed?
we're very sorry, Miss Principal.
So what happened?
Amit di ba tao? What the heck?
Miss, nothing's really happened.
If nothing really happened, why are you shouting?
Don't worry, ma'am. Nothing's really happened.
You two, go to the detention office.
This is very unlucky day. There's a lot of attention seekers in this world, especially the one with you.
Yes. Are you pertaining to me?
Did you see anyone in here except us? Hey.
Miss, did you say something?
Oh, nothing. I said that you're so handsome.
Oh, I know that. I know that. By the way, I'm sorry about the things I have done in your body. Why so angry with them?
So boastful. I get mad because it's the only thing that my mother left when he passed away last 2 weeks.
Oh, sorry to hear that. My condolence. That's why it's so very important to you. Go inside.
I'm sorry, I don't bother.
Of course. You're here. Isn't it obvious? Oh, you're with someone else. Why don't you two go inside?
It's alright, sir. Thank you for invitation, but I need to go.
Alright then. Take care.
I am very sorry, Cross. I didn't bring you in the house because you can stay there. Wait, I'll just get the banig.
Here, girls. You can lay down first.
Thank you. Because I just don't want to stay in our house. They don't care about me. Oh, Amber, you are funny.
Huh?
You know, there's something in you that other girls don't have.
What? Girls!
Oh. Wait, Amber. Wait.
Where is he? Oh shit! He's coming immediately! Let's go, divide ourselves! I go this way and you go this way. Okay.
Banig!
Nigel, why did you suddenly change your mind? I thought you would run for candidacy for being a vice mayor. Can't you see, if you want the position, we have the opportunity to change the system here in our city, and maybe yet, the politics in the Philippines.
Nigel, Nathaniel is right. Why don't you run? Maybe both of you can make change for our politics.
Why? Don't you trust us?
Yes, because there's no trace of seriousness on your face.
Huh? Then why are we still in a relationship?
Because...
Okay, it's enough. You two look like a child who's begging for a candy. Just tell me, think, what should I do in this banig?
Huh? You weird, bro. We're talking about the campaign, and yet your mind was still on that banig. What was the connection of that banig to our discussion?
None. It's just that it is useless if we not use it again.
I have an idea. What if we have a picnic this coming weekend so that we have a bonding moment when Nathaniel got busy on his campaign?
Good idea, Casey. Nathaniel, I leave this banig on you.
Okay, geez, Casey, where did you find that idea?
On my mind.
Secretary, open the door.
Congressman Sir Land is here.
Okay, let him in.
Come in, sir.
Here.
Thank you, sir.
Have you killed him?
No, Congressman. I feel talking to you.
What? Stupid! He was just one, then he was able to escape you. Fool! Hurry! Find and kill him before he reveals our secret. Or else, I'll kill your family.
Okay, sir.
Hey bro, could you come to my office right now? I have something to tell you.
Okay, just give me half of hour.
Okay, just hurry. Samantha, would you come to my office?
What can I do for you, sir?
Half of our Nigel will arrive. Serve him a hot of coffee. And I don't want a disturbance when he's here.
Yes, sir.
Sir Nigel's here.
So, what are we going to talk about?
Here's your coffee, sir.
I know that there's something happens behind my back. within my campaign member. And I just ignored it. But Nigel, a while ago, I heard Congressman Victor and his men going to kill someone. I think that man knows their secrets.
So, you still finding me?
Huh? What are you talking about?
I'm the one who found out the illegal process. And I'm the one who want them to be killed.
What? How come?
It is like this.
If that's the case, you're in danger, Nigel.
Yeah, so I decided to tell it to the authority.
They have nothing to do with it. It's because Congressman Victor had the authority.
What is it, Congressman?
You have to deal with the girlfriend of Nathaniel. Kidnap her. Do whatever you have to do.
Yes, I do it, Congressman.
Our job is done. Come on, let's go. Why are you crying? There's something happened? Where's Casey?
Someone caught her.
What? Who did it? Nathaniel, I think I know who's behind it. You think so? But how do you know we know everything? I don't know. Shit! Do they call?
Yes, they did. They told me that you must go to this place. They told me that once we negotiated the police, we're all dead. Oh, please, Nathaniel, save my daughter.
I will do everything just to save her.
Nathaniel, we need to make a concrete plan.
I think this is the place.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Come. Where's Casey? Yeah, what you would do? Casey! Casey, are you alright? Wake up, Casey! No, it's free. Wake up, Casey! Wake up! Casey, are you alright? They shoot him. Wake up, Casey, wake up! Shoot them! Nathaniel! Nathaniel! You deserve it. Nathaniel, no! Don't say that! It's all my fault. Just don't talk, okay? Everything will be okay.
Nigel, you still remember where we're still young. We made the pledge, right?
Alright. I knew it better. That I was the one who must be able to replace your position. The one who may be able to take care for your family. Ah, how is this? All hard to imagine that you're going to die. I don't want to end up all of this like... Oh, it's a drastic. Just promise me. Okay, I promise.
No, I want your promise to be granted. Just don't disappoint me.
But you live longer.
Nigel, we all know that I'm going to die.
What's up? I'm happy now with Casey and our children. And guess what? I'm now the governor of our city. Maybe this is God really wants to happen. We need someone who's willing to sacrifice so that there will be many lives to be saved. I know you're happy now. I wish in our new lives we were still friends and none of us needs to sacrifice.
Dad, who are you talking with?
A friend who's willing to sacrifice for the sake of others.
Let's go now, Nigel.
Bye, bro.
Bye, Nathaniel.
Mom, Dad, I wanna go home.
Wait, Kylie, we wanna go home. Okay, Nigel, let's go home.
Okay, I just
Dad, I wanna go home.
Nigel!